this is actually a video demo of a basic maintenance that you can actually DIY at home, and it's now showcased by the boss himself, Ryan. It's a very important guide, so pay attention, yeah? Here we go.
Okay, you want to adjust the brake at this side, right? You must use the number 3, size 3. Okay, go inside this hole. You turn clockwise is to make it tight, and you turn anti-clockwise is to loosen. And there's a brake pad inside. Okay, so you can actually run the thing and insert the number 3 Allen key and adjust it by listen to the sound of the disc. Okay, if there's a this sound, then you turn anti-clockwise to loosen. Okay, now no more sound.